Hello everyone, welcome to the Uplink Lab. My name is Daniel, and today let's talk networking. In networking, whether you're a student or a senior engineer, we all speak one language. That's the OSI model. It is an architectural framework that allows different devices to communicate globally. And today we're going to break down what the 7 layers are. Let's get started. So, layer number 1 is the physical layer. This is the foundation. This is where the bit stream is moving over copper cabling, fiber optic, or RF waves, aka Wi-Fi signals. Then we have layer 2. This is our data link layer. This is where switches are involved, MAC addressing, and framing. This ensures that 2 devices and the local network can communicate with each other. Moving on to layer number 3, we have the network layer. This is where routers get involved and IP addresses. This allows not only devices to communicate to other external networks outside of the local area network, but also to see what the best path for that data is. For example, OSPF, BGP, or even static routes. Then we have layer number 4. This is our transport layer. This uses protocols, for example, like TCP or UDP for end-to-end communication. Think of TCP as the reliable carrier. It ensures that things get sent across the network and that, hey, did you get that? Great, let's move on. Versus UDP, just fire and forget. We don't even know if they got it or not. A good example of that would be like live web calls, like Zoom or even gaming. That would use UDP versus web browsing, TCP. Then we have layer number 5. This is the session layer. Think of this as the manager. This is what establishes, maintains, and terminates that dialogue between applications. It ensures that data sent isn't crossed in a long-term connection. Then we have layer number 6. This is our presentation layer. This is like the live translator. It takes the data from one application layer and it makes sure that the other application layer can read it. This layer also handles encryption to ensure that our data is secure but also efficient. And then finally, we have layer number 7. This is the application layer. This isn't just about software. Nope. This is the protocols to the services needed to that software. For example, web browsing using the HTTP protocol. We have DNS for name resolution or even SNMP for network monitoring. So why does an engineer care? Well, we care because it provides a systematic troubleshooting methodology. When a service goes down, we verify the stack. We make sure that the physical layer is working properly. We ensure the MAC addressing, the IP routing tables, and so much more. By mastering this flow, we go from guessing to engineering. Thank you for joining me today on the Uplink Lab, and stay tuned for more videos.